Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this occasion, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taufiq Rahman. I am from Mechanical Engineering Research Program of Harapan Bersama Politeknik. And the title of my research is G influence of Savvy Based and Mathematical Discussion on the Study Achievement of Matematika Vocational High School. In the research, the author of the research art, the first myself, and the second is Mr. Nuryadi, and the last is Mr. January. Let me show the beginning of my research. I'm interested in mathematics education, mathematics application, and the science of statistics. In their focus, the science of statistics, rational action research, theoretical and methodology of education, and mathematical method in social science. As we know, President Decree number 87 of 2017 on this training character education in Paris, the important independent character education. Lifelong learning. Self-regulation learning involves personality in the process of metacognitive, emotional, and behavior to correctness and style. Lack of independence to learn mathematics, difficult solving mathematical problem. Define a modular form work to match between and group in the group theory and abstract algebra, in the of learning with the access of model. The idea of structure science is important in the understanding of abstract algebra. In a geometric theoretical structure, science is done through at least 3 ways. By recognizing the mathematical disposition, the will help to understand of mathematics. Mathematical disposition is understanding process. Mathematics research in import learning in engineering mathematics. Okay, next, research methods. Research design, this type of research is developed research. In the model use the form model. Early investigative steps, planning sites, stage of realization, testing, evaluation, and revision steps, and result analysis data. And then the active and influential character, the character independent. Identifies valid. The existence and the influential character independent and problem solving fail to the problem. Mathematical problem solving ability 80.7%. Okay, the last conclusion is the first. Learning divisible of valid according to the validator weight of validator score of 3.25. Weight the highest score of 4. The second, the device is assigned to the practical because the positive. Standard funds with at score the 83.9. And the teachability, the managed learning with the score is very high. Last but not least, use of savvy model learning defines mathematical dispersion based effective. The character achievement students achieve completion individual and flexible. The ability to solve mathematical problems in the classroom that you as the savvy. Model based on mathematical precision is better than the ability to solve mathematical problems in the classroom with conventional methods. The second of influence on the character independent and problem solving schedule problem. Mathematical solving ability 80.7%. Okay, that's all from presentation. Thank you for your good attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.